Robin, stop tweeting. Does anybody know the name of this bird of the day?
A DJ.
A DJ? Close.
DJ.
A DJ does have a lot of music like a bird, but it's not a DJ. It is a J though. What color is it? It's a blue jay. You are so close, Fisher.
Blue jay.
It's a blue jay. Isn't a blue jay beautiful? I think if I saw a blue jay out in the snow, in the white snow, it would look beautiful because you would really see its blue color. He's got like a little blue crown on the top of his head of feathers. So pretty. Do you think our blue jay is going to sound like a beautiful songbird? Do you think? Raise your hand if you think that the blue jay is going to sound like a beautiful songbird. Okay, are you ready to hear? Does he sound like a beautiful songbird?
Yes, but I didn't hear it.
Let's try it again. Let's see if we can make that sound. Tweet, 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 tweet. You know why he sounds like that? He's so beautiful, but he's got such a, hold on Anna, he's got such a strong song because guess what? Blue jay is always protecting his babies, protecting his nest, protecting his food, and he will chase away cats and dogs and birds and even people if they get too close to something that he loves. So let's say Nathan gets too close to his nest. Blue jay's gonna go tweet, tweet, tweet. And if Fisher gets too close to his food, he's gonna chase him away. And Reagan, and Colin, and Anna, and Griffin. Ooh, especially because Griffin's got blue on. So blue jay might, other birds might say, Blue jay, you're being a bully. Because he's always chasing other birds away. But blue jay says, I am a kind bird. I just want to eat. So it's okay. I still love the blue jay. He does what he does in order to take care of himself and his family. And we do what we do too to take care of ourselves and our family too, right? Okay, now be nice to my blue jay. I'm going to put blue jay, we need to fill buckets. I'm going to put blue jay into our bird bin over there with the other birds. Make sure that they all get along, please.